Bare piping system components on chilled water pipe systems, such as gate valves, strainers, flanges, fittings, and flexible connectors, are common in the mechanical rooms of institutional buildings such as schools, universities, medical centers, and government buildings. These uninsulated components can result in a tremendous amount of wasted energy, are a major source of corrosion, and can cause condensation problems. It is surprising at just how many uninsulated surfaces there are in a typical mechanical room, many of them on chilled water systems. Some of the components may have been insulated initially and then left bare after maintenance work. It seems the replacement insulation rarely makes it back on. Quite often, however, these components are left bare simply because they are too intricate and costly to insulate. That does not need to be the case anymore. Insulating all kinds of chilled water components is now quick and easy, using evergreen chill-in removable and reusable insulation kits. Insulating these components has several benefits. Reduces energy waste, significantly reduces water condensation, and reduces corrosion of steel components. And chill-in is removable and reusable, ideal for dual temperature systems, and you can estimate, fabricate, and install right on the job site. Each chill-in kit consists of one 4-foot by 8-foot flexible insulation blanket faced on both sides with a flexible zero-perm vapor retarder, one 75-foot long 4-inch wide roll of matching zero-perm pressure-sensitive tape, one tube of silicone caulk, and one utility knife. Getting started requires no special tools. In addition to the utility knife, you simply need a measuring tape, a marking pen, a standard pair of scissors, and a table or other cutting surface. Unlike traditional removable insulation covers, chill-in can be fabricated and installed on-site. Simply measure the component, then prepare the pipe surface by wrapping the zero-perm tape around the adjacent pipe insulation. Roll out the insulation, measure the insulation you need, taking into account the stretch out, and then mark where you will make the cuts. Cut the insulation blanket to size. For maximum performance, chill-in must be sealed against water vapor. Make sure that all sides of the blanket are taped and sealed using the zero-perm tape. Install the blanket on the component. Tape all joints and seams. Caulk around penetrations, again, to protect against water vapor intrusion. Finally, label the component for easy identification at a later date. For a step-by-step video guide on how to install chill-in, go to cutandwrap.com to view either the short pictorial or video instructions. Remember, these are removable and reusable insulation covers, so you need only fabricate these once. In fact, when removing one of these chill-in insulation blankets, the only component that needs to be replaced when reapplying is the tape. The removed tape should be discarded rather than reused. Leaving chilled water system components bare so they waste energy is just not good practice, particularly when there is an easy, cost-effective insulation solution. In addition, uninsulated dripping and corroding components can cause a host of other problems for the process and for the people who work in the area. Solve these problems by simply insulating these components with evergreen chill-in modular insulation blankets. For more information, go to www.cutandwrap.com or call Auburn Manufacturing at 800-264-6689.